Silver against US dollar. This week has formed this very strong bearish candle, making a bearish breakout to the lower side, and then the price formed this bullish pin bar right here, but the price has formed this bullish pin bar right here at the lower side of this demand zone, and then price continued to form these small candles and also this bullish candle, and on Friday a bearish candle here, which means some kind of a small indecision on the market. On the weekly time frame, this looks as the bearish candle. We can see a pretty strong bearish candle that has been formed, and also that has broken several support levels here visible on the chart. On the monthly time frame, this is a strong bullish candle this month, and we can see the price has stopped just in between the great resistance level and support level on the lower side. So we have 2 more days until this month closes, the next Monday and Tuesday. So we'll see how this month closes. A very important level, we can see it here, it will be 25.91, and also on the upper side it is an area here around 27.72, and to the upper side it's around 28.28. so we'll see what happens. It is pretty hard to distinguish what could happen here on the silver on the monthly time frame, so we need to go on the lower time frames. On the weekly time frame, this shows as a continuation of the selling, at least what I can see here, with a pretty strong bearish candle form on the chart. So we'll see the next one where the price could stop is 25.91. Currently what I can see on the chart, pretty strong bearish momentum, and we'll see on the daily time frame, is there any possibility for the price to return back up, going about 28.28. Based on this one, what I can see on the daily time frame, this is for me at least what I can see indication for the further decline down because of this strong bearish candle, and also the price could not return back up. This is something that is possibly expected on the next week. For the price, I would like to see the price going above this area, 27.42, just in order to see the price going up. But what I can see here, there is no bullish strength enough to push the price even higher. Now, based on this one, this is a very important level. We will see what happens around this area, which is important level 27.14, and also on the upper side it is an area here 27.42. so it is decision levels for the bears and also for the bulls to push the price in their direction. What happens in the next 2 days, we will see. But what I can see currently, I'm expecting to see the price going a little bit lower, to see around this one here, which is 26.63, and also a start of this demand zone around 26.77. So for more details, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So the link will be below in the description. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.